Namaskar, ma'am, and all my dear friends. I think in this era, you all would have heard the term innovation. Yes, it's innovation that led to various inventions and a positive impact on technology. Today, I, Yashasvi Goyal, am going to talk about a similar kind of technology. Yes, it is Li-Fi technology. Do you all know what is Li-Fi technology? No problem, I am going to tell you. So, what is Li-Fi technology? Let's see its definition. Li-Fi is light fidelity is a bidirectional wireless system that transmits data via LED or infrared light. I know it's a bit complicated definition. Maybe some of you would not be able to understand the meaning of this definition. So let's understand what does this mean. So basically here we take a lamp transmitting light. Then here is a person doing mobile. So what do you infer? This means if Wi-Fi technology is there, then this LED bulb will transmit the data to the phone. Wi-Fi will provide transmission of the data through illumination by sending data through an LED light bulb, and its speed is intensively faster than human eye can follow. So we cannot see. Now, you all would have a question like we know what is Wi-Fi technology, but what is the difference between Wi-Fi technology and Wi-Fi technology? Why should we use Wi-Fi technology? Why should we ignore Wi-Fi technology? So let's clear all these queries and see Wi-Fi versus Wi-Fi. Yes, here are some points. So first factor is faster. Yes, Wi-Fi is faster. The current speed of Wi-Fi oscillates between 11 and 300 Mbit per second, while that of Wi-Fi is also highly variable according to the last studies carried out. The most widely acceptable speed is 10 GBIT per second, but it has been proven that it could reach 224 GBIT per second and that a 1.5 GBIT film could be downloaded in thousands of a second. Yes, cheaper and more sustainable. It is up to 10 times cheaper than Wi-Fi. It requires fewer components and use less energy. All you have to do is turn on a light, it will just consume electricity. It is more accessible. Any light fitting can easily be converted into an internet connection point as only one simple Wi-Fi emitter need to be fitted in. So the fourth point is security. This point is very much to concern. All the people think like if we have Wi-Fi, it can be hacked or something it can be. But in Wi-Fi, light does not pass through walls like radio waves do. And this prevents intruders from intercepting Wi-Fi communications through a wireless network. It has more bandwidth. The light spectrum is 10,000 times wider than the radio spectrum, which increases the volume of the data it can carry and transmit per second. Sixth is more reliable. Wi-Fi transmits its signal without interruptions, making communication more stable than Wi-Fi. No interference. Electronic light does not interfere with radio communications, interact with other systems, or compromise transmissions from aircraft, ships, etc. Now, the eighth point is wireless and invisible. Wi-Fi takes advantages of light and dispenses it through the router, so it works without the need for cables. In addition, it can operate with infrared light, which is invisible for human eye, or with visible LED light at very low intensity so as to avoid disturbance. Now, the last point is no saturation. Yes, internet connection via light could prevent collapse of radio spectrum, which according to Wi-Fi inverter Harald Haas could take place by 2025. So, if Wi-Fi has more benefits and Wi-Fi is much cheaper than Wi-Fi, then why can't we use it? Really, it's an amazing technology. Now we have all understood what is Wi-Fi technology, what is the difference between Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi technology. But what is the use of this technology in our lives? So, how will Wi-Fi technology change your lives? Here is your answer. First, communication with traffic lights. Cars with LED lights will be able to communicate each other and receive traffic information. It will reduce traffic time. Secondly, connecting our homes. We will be able to connect our refrigerators or dishwasher through light to create networks of electrical appliances. Learning in museums. A work of art lighting could connect to our mobiles to tell us the history of peace or other information. Protecting our privacy. Entities handling sensitive information will be able to send and receive data more securely. Downloadable shopping catalogs. Lighting in shop would give us more detailed information on products and discounts. Taking underwater. Light waves travel further in water than other waves. Suffering at the petrol station. We will be able to connect to the internet in places where electromagnetic radiation is prohibited. So, all my dear friends, today you would have a very sufficient knowledge of what is Wi-Fi technology, what is the difference between Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi technology, and how it can affect our life. So, really, it's a better technology and you should use it. So, with this, I want to conclude my presentation. Thank you